Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to ANIEVS Home School. I am Mizanur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Indian University School, Morning Shift, Bonasri, Dhaka. Today I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for the students of class Junior 1. Our today's topic is oral sheet, question number 1 to 5. Today's topic is oral sheet, question number 1 to 5. Today's lecture number 11 and HW number 10. Okay, dear students, let's come to the board. Annual examination 2020, class Junior 1, subject religion, Islam, sheet for oral test. There are 15 questions included in the oral sheet, and today I will discuss 1 to question number 5. In the next class, I will discuss question number 6 to 10 inshallah. Question number 1. What is jazm? Answer. Jazm is a sign which is used above Arabic letters without harakat. What is jazm? Answer. Jazm is a sign which is used above Arabic letters without harakat. And sign of jazm is 3, which is we have discussed in the question answer class. There are sign of jazm is 3. Sign of jazm are 3, such as number 1 as like as 0, number 2 as like as comma, and number 3 as like as 8 in Arabic, or which is also called Philip V or inverted V. These 3 are the sign of jazm. Number 1 as like as 0, number 2 as like as comma, and number 3 as like as Philip V or inverted V. These 3 are sign of jazm. Okay. Question number 2. What is tashdid? Answer. Tashdid is a sign which is used above Arabic letters with harakat. Dear students, jazm is used without harakat. This is without harakat, but tashdid is a sign which is used above Arabic letters without harakat. With harakat. Tashdid used with harakat and jazm used without harakat. Okay, now I will give example. Tashdid. The sign of tashdid is this is the sign of tashdid, which is like a head of sin. We know that this is sin. This is sin in Arabic. If we clean the belly of sin, then it will be tashdid. And it is also as like as small w in English. This is the sign of tashdid. Okay. Question number 3. What does gunna mean? Answer. Gunna means buzzing sound. Gunna means buzzing sound. And example of gunna is anna, or amma. Okay. What does gunna mean? Gunna means buzzing sound. Buzzing sound means sound will pronounce by nose. This is called buzzing sound, such as anna, anna, amma. This sound is pronounced from nose, so it is buzzing sound, and its name gunna. Question number 4. which one is the biggest surah in the Holy Quran? Okay, answer. Surah Baqarah is the biggest surah in the Holy Quran. Surah Baqarah is the biggest surah in the Holy Quran, which is include 286 verses. Okay. Now question number 5. Which one is the smallest surah in the Holy Quran? Answer. Surah Kawthar is the smallest surah in the Holy Quran. Surah Kawthar is the smallest surah in the Holy Quran. It is include only 3 verses and it is the smallest surah of the Holy Quran. We know that 114 surah in the Holy Quran and Surah Kawthar is the smallest surah of them and Surah Baqarah is the biggest surah of them. Okay, dear students, now I will give HW. HW. Today's HW number 10. Today's HW number 10. And headline of HW, write the answer of answer of question number 1 to 5. Only answer. Okay, dear students, firstly write down question number. Question number such as question number 1, then answer. And write down Jazm is a sign which is used above Arabic letters without harkat. It is enough. Right here. And then write down question number 2, answer, then write answer. Tashdid is a sign which is used above Arabic letters with harkat. Like this. Okay, dear students, you have to do your HW very carefully and completely because HW is very, very important for you. And we have taken decision that we will give the CT marks and SB marks according to your performance of HW. So you have to do your HW carefully and completely and submit your HW next Sunday and collect your HW on the same day by your guardians or any other persons. Okay, dear students, I hope that you have understood this topic clearly. Keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. Stay well. See you again very soon, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.